Do you want to overcome psychological difficulties? Are you seeking spiritual growth? Do you wish to deeply understand yoga? This book does not simply provide knowledge about yoga. It offers tools that can transform your life. Yoga provides a variety of practices and principles that help alter the disruptions in the flow of people's actions, emotions, and thoughts. Through yoga, we can integrate our body, mind, and spirit, improve our lifestyle, and change our way of thinking. This enables us to manage stress effectively and alleviate health issues. Thus, yoga is not just an exercise or a meditation technique. It is a vital tool for enhancing our lives. Yoga allows us to understand our lives more deeply and realize our existence more clearly. This book elaborates on daily yoga meditations that can be practiced in everyday life. From the moment you open your eyes in the morning until you fall asleep at night, it details the training process that should be performed hourly. I will guide you well to embrace yoga as a part of your daily life and enable your life to become enriched.